After discussion, the charter flights were able to resume, which is our regular agreement. In addition to the charter flights, WINAIR are now allowed to sell tickets in the Dominican Republic. This was also, if you read the letter, this was also an objection. So now we have our regular charter flights and we can sell tickets in the Dominican Republic for these charter flights. And has also been given the verbal guarantee and, well, now written to the Director of the Civil Aviation that once WINAIR complies to the regulations and submit their documents, they will be granted the permit to have access/commercialized flights. We all see in the article where they mention if the local carrier does 90% or whatever it may be, this will not apply to WINAIR for their registration of regular flights. So all in all, what this shows, I know the letter was written in good intention, but as I explained, sometimes we just need to take a step back, and I think that this level of communication could have been had even before, we went this far. But however, it's not about the problem, it's about the solution, and we have an amicable solution and a verbal and written promise. So now the ball is in WINAIR's court. I would like the public to know is in WINAIR's court to do what they need to do in order to ensure that they now can have access to regular scheduled flights and commercialization.